Guys, it's Lori Ballen. I'm going to show you today how to use SEMrush to find questions for your blog posts and videos. When I teach how to do lead generation for real estate, for coaching, for my keto weight loss company, all of the different verticals that I teach that we need to be doing Q&A. So we write the topic as the question and then we answer it. Well, you might be wondering, how do I find the questions that people are asking? There's lots of different ways. You can use Quora.com, you can use answerthepublic.com, you can use Google, but if you have SEMrush or you're interested in a SEO keyword tool that does that and so much more, you're going to love SEMrush. Now, I have a link to try SEMrush in my video, and I'm going to show you now how we do this. So up here, we type in the word that we are looking for. So in this case, we're going to look at keto. All right, so keto is a diet. Keto is short for the ketogenic diet. It's a way of eating, and a lot of people use it to lose weight. I myself shed 50 pounds on the keto diet, and in just a matter of months, and then I became a certified keto coach. So down here, if we type in the word keto, we can go down here, we can see all of the words related to the keto diet. Okay. Now, this opens our keyword magic tool. And what you're going to see here is a list of keywords with that, a list of phrases with that keyword in it, the search volume, the organic keyword difficulty, the cost per click, okay, and so forth. But here, if we click on questions, we're actually able to see questions that people are searching, what the search volume is, the keyword difficulty, cost per click. So as you can see here, what is keto? What is keto diet? Is the keto diet safe? All right. And then if you wanted to, you could say, you know, I want to see all of the terms related to diet. So keto diet, right? And then right here, you're going to be able to see, here's all the can questions. So all the questions of can. What can I eat on the keto diet? What can you drink alcohol on the keto diet? Can you eat popcorn on the keto diet? All right. And this goes on and on and on. And you could literally just take each question and each phrase. So let's just say you're a real estate agent and you're going to type in sell a house, click apply, how to sell your house, how to sell your house by owner, how much does it cost to sell a house? All right. And then you can do can questions. How much can I sell my house for? How soon can you sell a house after buying? Can you sell a house with a reverse mortgage? These are all great topics. So hopefully this will help you. Again, I'm going to put my link to SEMrush. It is an affiliate link, and I do benefit if you end up purchasing SEMrush if you use my link. In full disclosure, I personally love this tool, and I use it for keyword research, for pay-per-click research, for measuring SEO content and website health and so forth. I'm Lori Ballen, creator of theballenmethod.com, owner of ballenbrands.com. Thanks for joining me.